Hello, so today we are going to learn about name normalization in Claytable. The purpose of name normalization is to use a name which looks nicer to utilize in the emails. For example, when we are sourcing data through different tools like Apollo, Lucia, ZoomInfo, or even the Clay's native search, some companies have a name which looks very different. Means some have PVT limited, private limited name mentioned in their titles. Some companies have some digits added into their company name, which could be because of sourcing data, which could be because of the original company name. So we run the company normalization to remove any such words or alphabets or digits from those company names. So to be able to do that, we run a ChatGPT prompt on Clay just using their AI, and you can see in the configure we have used the prompt to normalize if there are any special characters, digits, numbers, any such combinations or abbreviations included in the company name. They will all be removed, and then it will become a standardized company name which be usable in the emails. And how we do the add this AI column, we have to click on any column, just click on the right, click add one column left, and then click on use AI. We just click on use AI, then we go to configure. Usually we use the one that kinds of consumes the most least amount of credits. And for example, we can use something like 4.1 mini, and we have to search this as create and modify because you're not going to the website search. If we have website search open, that means it is going to consume a lot of credits. So we use a simpler one. Now we use, let's say, 4.1 mini. See, it is consuming zero point 0.2. We can also do nano. That is perfectly fine in this case, and it is the one that is consuming the least amount of credits. We can just copy and paste the prompt here and save and run, and this is how the names are going to appear. It will show the names after they have been changed. So this is how the name normalization is done to remove any such combinations from the company name to make it look nicer. Usually there are few companies who have this problem, but still, to be on the safe side, we run this name normalization. Let me know if you have any questions.